As a busy professional, you spend too much time finding your documents. This can easily be 2 hours a week. You also spend a lot of time finding your documents in folder structures because of the limitations of search technology. This means that working in teams, particularly across companies, is significantly harder than it should be. TopicLogic provides a better way, enabling you to instantly find and share your documents, and it works across a range of systems from Microsoft Office to Dropbox, from Evernote to SharePoint. Let's see how you use it. In this demo, what I'd like to show you is how TopicLogic enables you to quickly find and share your files using an approach that is essentially a social network for files. Imagine you're a busy lawyer. You're working on one case when in comes a phone call for another case you last worked on over a year ago, and you have to really quickly find the relevant document from that case and respond to the query that you're getting on the phone. So you click here in the topic search bar and you type in something to do with the case. In this case it was something like Horwood versus Argos. Click on the blue case there. That will then go off and bring up a list of the files and any other information that's associated with the case, which could be the solicitor, barrister, and the case itself. What we're going to do is just click right on the file name. We get a bit of information about the file. Usually we just want to go straight into the file and click on open. So how does this work? Firstly, TopicLogic organizes your files based on the business concepts or topics that you use every day. These could be clients, projects, teams, and employees. Or they could be cases or financial years, whatever your business uses. Secondly, we do this across the various places your documents could be stored: email, hard disk, cloud storage, and more. Finally, we use the business topics such as client to link up all the files across these different storage places. This deals with the reality of files that start in one place, then are shared by email and stored somewhere else. Each business topic is really a master key that locates your files wherever they are. Now we're going to look at how TopicLogic automatically assigns business topics to your files. It uses things like the subject line in the email, the recipients of the email, the folder, and parts of the file name in order to figure out relevant business topics. Plus, you can automatically add your own topics as needed. So what we're now doing is scanning a fairly hefty set of files to discover all the topics required, and this happens initially when you first install TopicLogic, and then it happens periodically after that, as and when you get new files. You can use topics to share files with your team, which means they can find files as easily as you can. The more files you share, the more your team builds up a shared set of topics that link the files together, and the more productive you become. If you have a team that spans multiple organizations, such as solicitors and barristers in a legal scenario, they'll have different terms for the same thing, such as a case. The solicitor may call this CX131, while the barrister thinks of it as Benson versus Ray. TopicLogic uses this to automatically assign an incoming file labeled CX131 to the Benson versus Ray case. So solicitors and barristers can easily find and share the file, no matter who created it. This is an example of how TopicLogic builds up collective intelligence on the best way to classify and link files, speeding up the process of finding, filing, and sharing your documents. Everyone on the team does their normal work, finding and filing documents in an intuitive way, and their small incremental filing actions all contribute to making the team more productive. TopicLogic works with any document, but with standard document formats, it can easily and automatically recognize the format and extract topics, such as client, project, and standard document titles. All these techniques make it easier and faster to find and share files. The net result of using TopicLogic is that you and your team, by sharing files amongst themselves, are essentially creating a sort of a social network for your files, linking the files together based on business topics and on people. The benefit is that your team can find and share files much more quickly and efficiently, saving time and money for your organization.